What's up, guys? Mustafa Abbas here.
Hey, Imshi Manena. This guy. What's up, Shredder? Mike here. Today, I'm gonna take you for a session on my new Core XR Pros in 30 plus knots at Makani Beach Club in Egypt. Let's get it.
For answers, no hotline, my address ain't changed up, can't say the same for you. Don't expect me to move my things, burn the house down to keep the ring. Hotel hide me in luxury, on the dance floor I let it breathe. Find myself in someone's arms, damn it's been a lonely week. Back from Vegas, break the laws, accuse me of tongue in cheek. Back and forth we falling off, done without this hide and seek. Righty tighty, call me Kyrie, burn it safe after you leave.
Shake it out. Now say it loud. I got what you want. Salt and pepper when we shake it out.
Spot guide time. So how's the kite spot? So there are several beach clubs in Alguna. Makani Beach Club is the best of them. The wind is cross onshore and the water is between ankle and chest deep, depending on the tide and where you ride. The water is moderately choppy and there are some reefs on the outside of the kite spot which you've got to be mindful of. So how's the wind? The wind is steady and it's typically between 15 and 30 knots. I'm usually on my 10 meter or 12 meter. I found that there's often a midday lull. It's strongest in the mornings and the afternoons. So what sizes should you bring? Well, I'm a 72 kilogram advanced rider and I like to have an 8, 10 and 13.5 out here. So when's the season? Typically the strongest months are April, May, June, September and October, but every year is a little different. This year, April wasn't great and August was awesome. So if you subscribe to my channel, your kite loops are twice as likely to catch you. So go subscribe right now. How do you get there and how do you get around? So you fly into Hurghada Airport, then it's 30 minutes in a taxi to Alguna. There are many quick, direct flights from Europe to Hurghada. Or you can fly to Cairo and it's 5 hours in a private transfer, but it's honestly not that bad. So once you're in town, you can use tuk-tuks to get around and they're pretty affordable. You can get to most places in Alguna for only $1.50 per ride. So what does it cost? At the time of recording this, a coffee is between $2.50 and $3, accommodation is $60 to $130, breakfast is between $5 and $10, and dinner is between $10 and $20. So what's so special about it? Well, it's warm, windy, the vibes are great, it's affordable, easy to access from Europe, and the beach club is freaking epic. Now guys, if you love big air, then I think you're gonna love these jump high tees. If you've jumped 10 meters, then you're in the 10 meter club and you can get the 10 meter club hoodie. Get it at bigairkite.com. So what local facilities are there? Well, Makani Beach Club has a great restaurant, gear storage, rinsing station, super helpful beach guys, compressors to pump your kite, a sauna, gym, and even a co-working space. Full disclosure, I am a bit biased because I'm friends with the owners and they are freaking epic people. So how's the internet? The internet in Makani and Egypt in general is decent. It's enough to have Zoom calls most of the time, but but it depends who else is on the network. Today, I'm getting 36 megabits down and 19 megabits up, but it's not always this epic. So where should you stay? Well, I've always stayed at Three Corners, Ocean Views, and Rihanna. They're both great. So guys, please help me reach 30K subs. Go hit that subscribe button. So what else can you do here? Well, you can drive go-karts, go wakeboarding in the cable park, go horse riding, ride motocross. There's a good nightlife. You can eat at excellent restaurants and more. But most of the time, I just kite, work out, play pool, and work on videos for you guys. So I've been wanting to play tennis on the clay courts here, and there's paddle if you're into that. So guys, rider of the episode is local shredder Mustafa Abbas. He's an absolute legend of a human, so be sure to go and follow him on Instagram. Now guys, I obviously don't charge anything for making these videos, and I just want to help everybody out there have more fun in the water, going absolutely huge and progressing in this amazing sport. So my only ask of you is that you consider shopping at bigairkite.com or shopping at my Big Air Kite Shop in Cape Town for any of your kiting needs. By the way, the flies, when there's no wind, are super annoying. So guys, have an amazing day further. Muchos besos and adios.